Everyone, Advent of Code is coming up in just over a month, and I've just noticed a big announcement on the Advent of Code website. I think it's been posted in the last sort of 12 to 24 hours. But Eric has announced that this year the number of days that puzzles will run is reduced to 12 days rather than the historical 25 days. So it will begin on December the 1st and end mid-December. Now, if anybody's watched any of the behind the scenes videos of Advent of Code that are on YouTube, where Eric talks about the amount of work that goes into putting this event on, then you'll realize that this is a very understandable step. And hats off to Eric and all of the team and beta testers and other people mentioned here that have played a part in putting Advent of Code on over the last 10 years. So it's still going to be a great event, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think there's a few other things. I'm not sure whether the global leaderboard going away is a new thing. But yeah, I really like the other thing I really like is the this little FAQ about using AI. Um, should should I use AI to solve Advent code puzzles? No. If you send a friend to the gym on your behalf, would you expect to get stronger? No. So yeah, looking forward to beginning the 12 days of Advent of Code in December. Now, my attempts at Advent of Code have been pretty patchy. I go back to events, we can see that, yeah, I didn't do too badly in 2023. Did 10 days for, there's a star for each puzzle, part one and part two each day. So 10 days gave me 20 stars. And then, yeah, I think in 2018, I think if I recall correctly, um, oh yeah, I checked out this guy's repository and added my code to his repository. So yeah, in 2018, I did Advent of Code in Lisp, did 2 days. Um, so yeah, part one and part two, there's my attempt. Yeah, I'm doing something particularly inefficient here. Sounds a bit like the story of my life. But anyway, um, so I'm looking forward to having a go this year. And I didn't do 2015. I've got 10 stars against 2015. I think that's part of the great thing about Advent of Code is you can go back and you can do any of the years that you've missed. And a couple of years ago, I decided to go back and have a go at doing 2015 in Rust because I wanted to learn the Rust programming language. And yeah, I got 5 days in before things got a bit tricky. And yeah, it's kind of taking me like days and days to sort of make any progress. So kind of thought, well, I need to take a step back and maybe learn some more Rust first. So anyway, yeah, my plan is to do 2025 in Rust. I'm going to get set up and maybe do some videos of the code that I wrote a couple of years ago, just go through it and just sort of have a look at what I was doing, try and make sense of it, get familiar with Rust again, and get ready to do Advent of Code 2025. So yeah, if that's something that might interest you to watch me fumble around with the Rust programming language and see how I get on with Advent of Code 2025, then stay tuned. There'll be more videos to come. But thanks for watching this one, and see you in the next. Bye.